Okay, now we'll place this is green and orange, so it should be here. So we'll bring this up and take this out of the way and bring it down. Now we have to place this over here. So this is done. Okay, now we have to place this. So this is also done. Okay, so all our edges are placed. Now we have to fix the corners. So it is simple, like we normally fix the edges. So now we'll fix the corners. So we have, this is white and blue, so by white and blue we'll fix here. So it is R U R prime U prime, normal simple beginners method. So this is fixed. Here it should be, or rather here it should be white and red. So we'll place white and red over here. So R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime. So this is fixed. White and green and white and orange. So white and orange will fix here. So R U R prime U prime. This is fixed. Now this one we have to fix. So this is normal beginners method, so I am not explaining this how to do it. So this is fixed. Now we have to fix the edges. So this is blue edges will fix here. So simply U prime L prime U prime L U R U R prime U prime. Okay, now green edges will fix here. So U R U R prime U prime L prime U prime. L. Okay, this red edges, so U prime L prime U prime L U R U R prime. So this is also fixed. Orange, so L prime U prime L prime U R U R prime. So all our edges are fixed. So we are done with first, second, third floor. Now we are left with the last layer. And last layer, if you look at, this is the case which normally happens in even layer puzzle. So here also I'll show you. Okay, so this normally case which normally happens in 4x4, wherein one edge pair is flipped, all edge pair are placed properly. So in this case also, if you look at, all edges are placed properly except one edge piece, one edge pair. So in this case, normally what we do is we have to do an algorithm to these two edge pairs. So we use this algorithm, that is, we use this middle layer. So R prime to U, then we'll use left, that is L to F, L prime, middle layer only, to F, then 2R, middle layer, to U, then R to U, R prime 2u, then 2f, then 2r and 2f. So the cube is solved, I mean the edge pair will be solved. So in this case also we'll have to use the same algorithm. So this is our right and this is our left, so we have to use middle layer only. So whenever we'll use right layer, we'll move this top layer 2 times, I mean 2u, and when we'll use the left layer, we'll use this f, this is our f, 2 times. Okay, so first r prime, so if we have used right side, so we'll turn this 2 times, so 2u, then left, so L, so we have used left, so 2f, then again up left, so L prime, so we have used left, so again 2f. Okay, so now 2r, so since we have used right side, 2u, 1 2, r, so we have used right, so again 2u, r prime, so 2u. Okay, now 2f, 2r and again 2f. Okay, so now we can see this edge is fixed. So now next step is to place the edges into its correct position. So we'll see whether any of the edges, so this edge is placed properly, these 3 edges we need to rotate. Okay, so this is our r, so we'll use r, this will keep this pair which is into correct position in front, and we'll rotate these 3 edge pair. So r, u, r prime, u, r, 2u, r prime. So this is paired, and these two are flipped. So this is again corner parity, which we normally face in 4x4. So I'll just show you how to solve this. Okay, so in this case we have two edge pieces which are two pair which are placed properly, and two which we need to swap. So what we'll do is we'll keep one edge pair which is correct on back side and one edge pair which is correct on right side, so back on right, and two edge pair which are not correct on front and left, and we'll do this algorithm. So r, u, r prime, u, r, 2u, r prime and u. So now we can see all our edges are placed properly. So now we have to place the corners, that is our last step. Okay, so we'll see whether any of the corners are placed properly or not. So no corners are placed into its correct position, so we can start from anywhere. So we'll use this algorithm, that is u, r, u prime, l prime, u, r prime, u prime and l. Now we'll see whether any of the corner piece is placed. So no corner piece is placed into its correct position, so we'll again use the same algorithm. So it is u, r, u prime, l prime, u, r prime, u prime and l. Okay, so now we can see we have one corner which is placed properly and three corners I mean this corner is also placed properly. So we have two corners which are placed properly and two corners which are not placed properly. Okay, so this is again a corner parity which I'll show you how to solve it. So first what we'll do is we'll bring this corner next to each other and then we'll solve it. So what we'll do is we'll bring this in right hand side and we'll rotate this 3 so that this blue will come either this side or this side. Okay, so again U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime and L. Okay, so now we can see one more time we'll have to use this algorithm. So U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime. So now you can see we have two corners which are into correct position and two corners which are swept. So this is the situation. I'll just show you on 4x4 regular 4x4. Okay, so now I'll just show you a corner parity how to solve. We have two corners which are placed into its correct position. This is also into its correct position, this is also into its correct position. These two needs to swap. So first what we'll do is we'll first orient all these corners. So you can do Ri, Di, Rd. I'll do Ri, Ru, R prime, U prime. So I mean it is a simple algorithm to orient the corners which we normally use in 3x3 also. So this is placed Ru, R prime, U prime. Okay. Okay, so now all the corners are oriented. Now we can see these two corners are placed properly. We need to fix these two corners. So in this case also we need to swap this corner. So what we'll have to do is we'll use cuboid algorithm to swap this two. So it is 2R U, 2R UI, 2R UI D, 2R UI, 2R U, 2R DI. Okay, so what it will do, it will swap these two, but at the same time it will swap these two edge pieces also. So this yellow and blue which was here moved here, and yellow and green which was here, it moved here. So these two edges are swapped. So what we'll do is we'll keep this in right and left in front of us and we'll use this algorithm, that is URF algorithm. So 2U, 2R, 2F, 2U and again 2U, 2F, 2R, 2U. So our cube will be solved. So in this case also we'll use first we'll swap this two, and once we'll swap this two corner, these two edges will be swapped, and then we'll use URF algorithm to fix this. So we have to keep this unsolved corners on right hand side and solve corners on left hand side, and this is our R. So 2R U, 2R UI, 2R UI D, 2R UI, 2R U, 2R and DI. So now we can see this is placed properly, this is also placed properly, but these two corners, yellow and red and yellow and green, which was here, yellow and red and yellow and green, So these two pair are swapped. So we'll have to keep this like this. So this is on right hand side and left hand side, and this is our front, and we'll have to use a URF algorithm using this. So 2U, 2R, 2F, 2U, 2U with 2 layer, and now again 2U with top layer. So 2U, again 2F, 2R, and 2U. Okay, since it's a super cube, I mean this center is rotated. In this case also this center is got rotated, but we won't be able to know because all colors are same, and I mean shape is flat. But in this case we can get to know that this is I mean flipped. So how to fix it? So I'll show you one algorithm to fix this. Okay, to fix this center we will use again sliding technique. So what we'll do is we'll have to use this center like this, and we'll have to bring these two orange pieces over here, and then again rotate it, and these two I mean this orange pieces will be back. So what will we will use is, first we'll place this orange pieces over here so that it will be into its correct position, but this orange pieces will be here, so we'll have to use these orange pieces to place here. So I'll just show you. So this is, I mean we have to use this orange piece, so this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So we have to use this middle layer only. So up, take this out of the way, again this up, only middle layer, out of the way, then down, then bring this back and down, and back. So now we can see we have, so this will be the situation. So this blue which was here, so we replace it with orange. So we have to replace one more orange piece over here. So what we'll have to do is we have to use this orange also to replace. So what we'll do is, first we'll fix this. So this is already placed. Now we have to place this piece. So what we'll do is we can try from this side also, so that we can replace this blue over here, and this orange will come here, and this will come here. Okay, so first we will replace it with this. So it is up, out of the way, again up, down, bring back, down, bring it back, and down, and back. Okay, so now we can see this is the actual situation. Okay, so now we can see we have two pieces, this piece which is matching with this side and this piece which is matching with this side. So these two pieces are placed properly and this two needs to replace. Okay, so this we need to replace it with orange. So we have one orange, so can we replace it with this orange? So let us check if we can replace it with this orange. So we will try from this side. So we'll place it here, this will come here and this will come here. Okay, let's try this. Up, out of the way, up, back, down and down. Okay, so now we can see we have this piece but that is not correctly placed, but I mean we can this piece is already placed properly, so this is I mean fixed. Now we have to fix this also. Okay, so now we have this orange piece which we can replace it with this orange piece. So we have to keep direction like this. So this piece will fix here and it will fix in a proper manner. Now you can see it will fix like this. So this will come here, this will come here and this will come here. Okay, so up, out of the way, then up, back, down, back and down and back. Okay, now you can see these pieces are fixed properly and these pieces are fixed properly. Now we have to replace it with these two pieces. So this is already placed properly. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 pieces which we need to place it properly. This is also placed properly. We have 1 2 3 4 pieces which we need to place properly. Okay, so what we'll have to do is we'll have to first place this piece over here. So okay, so from this angle we can place this piece. Right. Yes, we can place this piece and we can replace it with this. So this will come here, this will come here and this will come here. So this will be already, this will also be placed properly. This we need to place it then. Okay, so it will be like this: up, down, then up, back, down, back, down, back. Okay, so now we can see we have this space which we can easily place here, and this will fix here and this will come here. So this will be solved. Okay, so now let's fix this. So it is up, out of the way, then up, back, down, back, down and back. Okay, so okay, now what we'll do is we'll fix this orange over here. So this will come here, this will come here and this will come here. So it will be up, then away, then this will be up and back, down, back and down, back. So now we can see this is fixed. Now we have two pieces which we need to fix it. Okay, so now we are left with these two edge center pieces which we need to fix it. So what we'll do is we'll first we'll try to rotate this side. So this corner piece, this piece will come here, this piece will come here and this piece will come here. So it is up, out of the way, again up, then back, down and down and back. Okay, now you can see our cube is solved. So if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you very much.